All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We are currently in Greenville, South Carolina. It is Bassmaster Classic this weekend. We are going to go check out the expo, and we're actually staying in a cabin right here on Hartwell Lake. Cabin's up at the top of this hill. Got a little boat ramp right here. We're going to be dragging the bass trader down here in a minute and doing some fishing. Probably tomorrow for the bass for the fishing. So tonight we're going to get some rest, get up, do the expo for a little bit, and then come out here and do some fishing for you guys. But for today's video, I did some fishing a couple days ago. Caught a pretty decent sized bass, and got a couple other things. Actually caught a bird in that video, so you might want to check it out. So stay tuned, and please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you are liking the comment. Easier for me to talk, and
what time you want to leave from?
I gotta catch some damn fish first. Oh, bird, Jesus.
Did you just take your bait?
Yeah, I got that on camera too, dude. Oh, it just blew my whole rod up doing that. Big old alligator. He ain't really scared. He just let it take off. I'm trying to get too close. There we go. I want all my fish in this area, but it was kind of cool. Nope. Almost set my hook on the back of that alligator. That would have been real bad. Occasionally we can catch a fish out of this little pocket down here where the fish go inside of this little drain and they get trapped in here. Every time I fish this pond, I always see if I can catch anything out of here so I can move it back to the pond. Got one. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that's a good one. It's probably a 2-pounder or so. Oh, that's bigger than 2 pounds. All right. Yay, look at that. That's a good bass. Not bad. Probably a solid 2.5, close to a 3. Big old fat belly. I do this for my wife. She likes to smack the belly, so that's all for you, babe. So, not a bad looking fish. You got a scale on you? No, I don't either. My scale's in my battery box for my bass raider, so not bad at all. Let's get a little release on her. Get on out of here. That was a good fish. Let's get back in there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you stay tuned for the vlogging video for the expo that we're going to tomorrow for the Bassmaster Classic. Thanks again. Subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you guys for the next video.